the size that we're getting out here. Gorgeous fish, really. Incredible fighters. They taste pretty good too.
They're good.
Yeah.
Bye.
We just had a couple that came up over here on the surface, so I threw up for them. So
You pop one?
yeah, you noticed a couple that came up surfacing, and so I just cast forward there, and we got a double header. Yeah, there. Ooh, look at the size. Yeah, these
there we go.
I mean, this is the size of these fish. I mean, if you're catching fish this big, I mean, this is fun.
Now what we want's that lake trout that's up here
Yeah.
feeding on the whitefish.
Yeah, it's the one thing. I wonder if this is, where they like this. It's like a smallmouth. They go in the shade of the boat like that. They tuck underneath there. Surface right there. It's another whitey. My guess. Oh yeah.
Another big one?
Yeah. Yeah. See if I can scoop this one without. I can scoop this one without. They make those raw. I mean, they really. Oh, I don't. That one. Whoa. There. Oh, I had him. I had him. He's getting tired. There. What I do is just tail weapons so they can't catch. There you go. That one. How about that? Gotcha. How about that?